All right, everybody, this is Jordan. Jordan has been dealing with a nagging shoulder problem for how long?
Years.
Years. From an injury a while ago, lifting injury.
Yep.
Okay, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a one treatment challenge on the left shoulder, see if he can notice some improvement. What hurts it? What movements and motions or positions hurt the shoulder?
If I'm laying on it, if I'm coming across, I often feel when I'm working out, there's pain there, so it's a lot of motions.
And right now you can reproduce it by what motion?
Coming across.
Okay, and then head tilted.
If I stretch out, then I can definitely feel something in there as well.
Okay, so we're gonna do a one treatment challenge with the FX405, and then we're gonna come back and see if he notices some improvement there. All right, we're just wrapping up the shoulder protocol with Jordan here for his left shoulder. It's about wrapped up there. And so what we're gonna do is see how that did for him. We're gonna move this out of the way. And now let's kind of have you move that shoulder around now, see if you notice any difference or improvement there.
That's a little different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of improvement would you say?
It actually doesn't feel like it's pinching as much when I'm doing that, so I don't know, man, maybe it does work.
That's kind of wild, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it feels a little better. I can still feel it, but it's not, seems like it's pinching as much.
Yeah.
So, it does feel okay.
Awesome.
Yeah.